Let's have a proper look at how teams work in Directual. You'll find teams in the My Teams list. Start by creating a new team. Enter a name for the new team and select a billing plan. Payments can be monthly or annual. To create a team, we need to make sure that we have enough funds. That means D-coins in our wallet or the credit card we've added. Now that a new team has been created, it appears in the list on the left. We can see that there are no applications behind this team, and that only one developer appears in the newly created team. To add another developer, we just have to enter an email in the New Team Member field. In addition to Team Owner, there are two other roles, Admin and Developer. The admin has permission to add other users and create sandboxes. Let's connect an app to the team. Select an app in the My Applications section and open the settings. Then go to the Developers tab and select the team and developers you want to assign to it. Several members of the selected team can be added, so they can work on the application together. Now we've saved the changes, let's look at the team. We see that we now have an app, and because the app is on a paid plan, the team owner will receive an affiliate bonus. Now let's take a closer look at the Sandbox apps. This is an app plan that comes as a bonus with every developer seat on the team, and is usually used to develop apps before they can be delivered to the client. We select a team and turn on the Apply Sandbox Plan option in the app settings. If we turn the option back off, we free up one sandbox slot, and the app defaults to a free plan. We can manage all the apps and teams from the My Applications section. Let's give it a try. Choose an app. Add team from the Billing tab, and if required, there's a free slot. Click the option with the Sandbox plan. We see the changes we've made in both the My Application and Team sections.